Well, I don't have a lot of time today, so I'm going to make the easy version of the yin yang quiche. And you see, I'm just going to use a regular flour tortilla here. And the nice thing about that is when I cut a little slice of that, it's got a bevel already made in there. So I just drop it here in a pre-made pie crust. And it makes the divider for me. And I can do a dinner in one side and dessert in the other. But today I think I'm going to do a savory quiche where it'll be all dinner, and this is vegetarian in this side, so I'm going to put it, I'll start off by putting some into the large section here, and then I'm going to go back and forth. This is with a little smoked turkey and vegetables. Put that in the large section, and so that'll just kind of push against that. And now I can fill this all the way in.
Paris marchent les armures. Le bonheur se construit, ce bonheur fait pour eux. Sous le honteux Bercy, un philosophe assis, deux musiciens, quelques bardons, puis les jaunes palmiers. Sur le ciel de Paris jusqu'au soir vont chanter.
And it's just mostly Greek yogurt, some shredded cheese. I have Parmesan cheese, just a couple eggs, raw garlic. Now we'll add a little pepper on top, beautiful red pepper, just to add some color and help to differentiate the vegetarian from the turkey side. There we are. So now we'll put this in the oven, and I have it preheated 400 just to get it started. Beautiful.